Hey, welcome to Buri Sense. So, guys, today we will discuss about some of my favorite perfumes for the season of fall, winter. So, these five are my personal choices. I'm not saying that if I am liking these all fragrances and you will also like this, but these are some of the very common, very favorite, very popular perfumes in the whole fragrance world. So you can also blind this. I am not saying that you would be regretting about by buying these fragrances. So these five fragrances are very popular, very classic in the whole fragrance community. So without wasting any time, let's begin with our number five perfume, which is very old, classic, famous in the whole world of fragrances. You may also know that 1 million from the designer house of Paco Rabanne. So many of you also have used may have used this perfume before, but if you still have it in your collection, you can buy it. Let's take a look how it smells. So for me, it smells very fresh, spicy, very strong. uh, you can simply note the note of tonka air, tonka bean. Yes, so I would say 1 million is a very good fragrance for like partying, clubbing. It's basically a party type fragrance. So if I talk about its longevity and projection, as it is an EDT concentration perfume. So on my skin it lasts long up to 7 to 8 hours. And talking about the sillage, yeah, it's also very good. Its sillage is 1 to 2 hours on my skin, but on clothes it's very good. So I would recommend you to buy this if you still don't have in your collection, or you still want to smell good in the evenings. It's very good for chilling weather, to party out. Yeah. If I talk about its pricing, in India, you can buy its 50 ml bottle for 36 to 4000. If you go for 100 ml, you can buy that in 5000 to 5500. And it's also comes in 200 ml bottle. So you can start with, I would recommend you to start with the small sizes bottle, or you can first test these fragrances in some offline stores or some malls. So guys, let's move further with our next fragrance. It also my favorite. It is Lamel from the designer house of Jean Paul Gaultier. Yeah, it's also very classic perfume, launched in year 1995, and still today it's one of the best smelling fragrances on market for the colder seasons. So if I talk about its smell, how it smells, if you first try it out, you will notice some mint. You will also notice vanilla. uh, it is a basically very sweet and aromatic fragrance. To me, it is my one of favorite till today. uh, I would like to wear it in the coming winter season. So you can see that it is a very unique and classy bottle. It is a basically 125 ml bottle. You can also buy its 75 ml bottle. So talking about its longevity and projection, guys, on my skin it lasts more than 8 hours. Talking about its projection, it can easily project 2 to 3 hours on my skin and clothes. Yeah. So talking about its price now, you can easily find this perfume in Indian market for around 5500 for 125 ml, and for 75 ml you have to pay 4200 to 4400. So I would say it's also a blind buy for the colder seasons. So let's move further to our third purchase. Yeah, who don't know this fragrance? It's a very famous all over the world in the fragrance world. You may have also heard about this fragrance from other on the other YouTube channel that run or gave fragrance reviews. So it is a Dior Sauvage EDP version. You can check this out. Basically it's a EDP version. It comes in three variants: EDT, EDP, and perfume, which is the higher one. So basically it is the middle one. Talking about its smell, how it smells to me, it smells very spicy, very sweet. It has notes of ambroxan, which is a synthetic note, and black pepper. It is a very famous fragrance, very popular thing. I would say it is a compliment beast, and that's why it is very popular around the fragrance community. Everyone is talking about on his channel, giving reviews for Shavaz. So now let's guys talk about its longevity and projection. uh, on my skin it easily lasts up to 8 to 12 hours, and it projects also very beastly. For the first 2 hours it projects very beastly. Talking about its compliments, yeah, it's a compliment magnet, no doubts about this. So now let's talk about its pricing and availability in India. uh, as it is a 100 ml bottle, for 100 ml you have to pay 8700 to 9000 bucks, and for 60 ml it may cost around 6000 or 6400. So yeah, it's a expensive fragrance, but it is a must buy. I can say that it's a worth if you spend some money on this premium perfume. So it's one of the my favorite that I will be wearing in this winters, no doubt in this, Dior Sauvage. So let's move on to our next fragrance. Yeah, you can see that this is Invictus from the house of Paco Rabanne. It's also a very popular around the fragrance world. It has also flankers till today: Paco Rabanne, Invictus Aqua, Invictus Legend, Legend Intense. So this is the basically a classic one that first launched. So let's have a look at it, how it smells to my nose. Yeah, it smells very good, very sweet. It's, I would say it's a bubblegum type sweet perfume. So, and it is an EDT concentration. I want to share some more thing that till now that I've shown you, the fragrances all are sweet, very masculine, very aromatic type perfumes. Sweet fragrances are best for the winters. You also know that who are the who are some collectors in the fragrance world. So to me, Invictus is also a night out type of perfume, parting time, clubbing. It's also a compliment magnet. So I would definitely recommend you guys to buy this. Talking about its longevity and projection, uh, on my skin it lasts between 6 to 8 hours, and for the first hour it projects very well on my skin and clothes. So I would definitely recommend you to buy this. Talking about its availability and pricing in India. In India, it is an 100 ml bottle, so it will cost you around 5800 or 5500 for 100 ml. For 50 ml, you can buy it around 4000 bucks. So guys, definitely check this out. It's also a compliment magnet for fall or winter season. Yeah, Invictus from the house of Paco Rabanne. Let's come our last fragrance, which is F Black from the house of Salvatore Ferragamo. Yes, it's also a very masculine, strong type of perfume for men. Let's have a look how it smells to me. It will smell very masculine to you if you test it out in some offline store. And it also contains some sort of, I would say, feminine cosmetic type of vibe, lipstick type of vibe, I would say. And you can also notice black pepper in this. So for winters, it's a very good fragrance for men. And you can see that it is an 100 ml bottle. I'm not so much like this due to some its feminine vibe. Like I also mentioned, it contains some sort of lipstick type of note, but the people around you will definitely like this so much and will give you compliments. But personally, I will wear it rare sort of times. And talking about its longevity and projection, it will last up to easily 8 hours, and for the first 1 to 2 hours it projects very well. Yeah, talking about its price, it is an 100 ml bottle. You can buy it around 4400, yeah, 44 to 5000. So these are my personal favorite fragrances that I will be wearing this fall or winter, as I'm staying in the northern part of the India. So you can easily understand how strong or cracking the winter season is in India. So these are my personal favorite uh, choices. So before buying, I would recommend you to please check out these testers, or you can also test these all fragrances in offline stores if you want to buy them. So let's wrap up this video, guys. I hope it's very long already. So bye bye, thank you so much. So please guys, don't forget to like this channel and subscribe this button. I am posting these perfume videos in all the three languages: Punjabi, Hindi, English. So please don't forget to press like button and subscribe to this channel. Bye bye, we will meet you soon in another next video.